ChatGPT tutorial, how to turn any of your pictures to Ghibli Studio style. First, go to chatgpt.com, but make sure you have at least a Plus subscription, which costs about $20 per month. Don't forget to select the 4.0 model or it won't work. So now you can click on the 3 dots, then click on the create option, and write change the style to Ghibli Studio. But don't forget to upload your image. You can drag and drop it into ChatGPT's user interface. The image can be absolutely anything, a picture of yourself, a meme, or even a picture of your dog. So now that we've entered our prompt and uploaded our image, we can press enter, but you will see that it's slow and it will likely take 2 to 4 minutes to complete the image generation. So to speed it up, you can open another tab and repeat the process we've just done, but they won't be able to run in parallel since ChatGPT currently limits how many image transformations you can do at the same time to 1. So at the very least, you now have your image generations queued up so they will be done as fast as possible. You can reuse the same prompt and pictures to create variations of it, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. So it can extract objects from thumbnails into PNG assets. Here we have a Mr. Beast thumbnail and we've extracted the car into a PNG asset that we can then use in Canva or Photoshop. It can also restyle your thumbnails to make them pop and stand out. I've used it personally for a thumbnail of one of my videos and had to try a few variations, but it looks pretty good and I saw the click-through rate going higher. It can also do things like face swaps. Here we've put Elon Musk's face on a Mr. Beast thumbnail. Pushing it even further, we can extract a brand profile JSON from existing ads to replicate the style for your own ads. Here this person has used Prime Drink ads, extracted a brand profile, and then used it to generate a similar ad for G Fuel. This user wrote a fairly complex prompt that generated this very impressive ad for Adidas. You can also turn sketches into thumbnails. Here I found a thumbnail sketch on X, and with the help of a prompt, ChatGPT was able to generate a nice looking YouTube thumbnail. If you're having issues, you can also try using the ChatGPT app. So you might run into an image generation limit at around 10 images per hour. There is a rate limit right now due to server restrictions. On X, Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, has talked about rolling this feature out to free users eventually, but that it's melting GPUs right now, so that could possibly come within a month or 2 if you're patient. By the way, I have an AI builder community of people wanting to learn AI, build AI agents, and share their findings in order to 10x their workflows, automate their tasks, and meet other like-minded people. If you're interested in building with AI, you should check it out.